What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy, a Geek. So the question is that what is the future of the network engineer in the Wi-Fi world? My answer will be simple. The future is not that bright. A lot of network engineer jobs are getting less and less, especially the IT. IT jobs are dying. I mean, at the end of the day, IT is like that thing which is like now solidly built that we do not require a lot of people to manage. At the end of the IT jobs are dying. I mean, no one wanna believe me, no one wanna listen to me. I mean, yeah. So I will not. I mean, at the end of the day, I will not recommend that you get a degree in IT. To be honest with you, so especially in telecommunication, pick something else. I mean, like data is better. Get a degree in data. To be honest with you, a data degree is like much better at the end of the day. And yeah, it was me, G making. Make sure to subscribe and bye.
Hey.